Let's listen to a basic voice AI agent.
Hello, this is Mary from Mary's Dental. How can I assist you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Great. I can help with that. First, may I have your full name, please?
Anu Babu,
Nice to meet you, Anar Babu. What's the purpose of your appointment?
regular checkup.
All right, Anar Babu. And when would you like to schedule your appointment?
Tomorrow 3 p.m.
This'll just take a sec. Thanks, Anar Babu. You're all set for tomorrow at 3 p.m. See you then.
Thank you. It's a basic function a voice AI agent can do. I made it so simple so that any beginner can understand how the AI voice agent works. Let me explain it through a picture. When a user makes a call, it is handled by an AI interface. In this AI interface, we will create a virtual assistant which can handle the data and also can answer many questions by the user. This AI interface internally call to a logical platform for doing some functions. In our case, we had to book an appointment in a Google Calendar. So it is done by this logical platform. And when it is done, it will send a response to the AI interface and it will also respond to the user. This is how it works. In our case, we are using AI interface as Vapi.ai and the logical platform as Mic.com. So first of all, let's log into Vapi. So Vapi, if you don't know, Vapi is a voice agent infrastructure which can be implemented in any industry. So let's go to dashboard. So some of its features, let's go through some of its features like assistants, like here. From this only we are creating an assistant, and for calling the assistant we can use phone number, like we can either buy a phone number or import. The two options, Twilio and Vonage, or else I'm using the voice internet call now, like show you. Here we can talk with assistant. So this file is the knowledge base. Actually, we can upload any file, any PDF, anything which contains information about the business, so that the Vapi knows what it is. And tools, in tools only we are writing functions. I have created some functions, like functions, as you say, like what to do. Vapi doesn't know how to do the functions, so we'll call for some functions as I said before. So this is a function. Here we can create new tools. I'll show you. And there are so many things that we can let the voice library, call logs, and many things. Let's go through these simple things. So for first of all, I have already created this Mary, but I am showing you how we can create an assistant. Okay, so create assistant here. So here actually you can see either you can create a blank template or you can set like appointment set. There's also predefined one, so we can edit it based on our use. Like I have selected appointment setter and create assistant. So here is the assistant. So model, first one, model. In this model, actually you can see, hello, this is Mary from Mary's Dental. So we can edit as we need. Like they are specifying their time, their address, and also this what need to be asked, like what information should be collected from the user, and many things. For this is the best thing you can do if you like. Like I'll show you. Inside this documents, there is a section where it's explained how we can write that prompt. Okay, this prompting guide, it explains very well how we can identify style, response and guidance, task and goals. So if you are following the structure, means the prompt will be very perfect, and that perfectness will reflect in your assistant also. So I am using ChatGPT for creating this prompt. So provide information to the ChatGPT based on these steps. you can create a nice prompt. And here you can select the provider name. I'm given to select OpenAI. There's a couple of ones. Provider name, model I'm using 3.5, knowledge base if you have any, and temperature. It's like how the language should be. I have set it to 1, and max tokens also I had to set it to 250. So this is things like you can change and try which one you like. Transcription actually gets the our conversation will be transcribed. So which provider we want to use for that. For I'm using DeepGram. You have some select. You can select which one you like. And model Nova 2. Language I'm selecting it as English. And voice, in the case of voice, like I am adding this, and now you can select Azure or anything. Azure is a good one. You can use it. And functions. Here actually, before a couple of months, like they were using, we can create functions here, but it's actually now changed, and we are making the functions inside the tool now. And here also some, see, enable end call function. So if we enable this, the assistant itself can end the call, and dial keypad. If you want assistant to type something, digits or something, you can use this. And forwarding phone number. This is used when if you want to transfer the call to a person, like a live person, you can enter a number so that the assistant can handle the situation. It will transfer the call to the real person. And the end call phrase, like you can specify here, goodbye, thank you, as you like. Okay. And in this advanced section, you can set silence, timeout, response delay, like that. What you want, just go through this. It should be like try and error, what you like. Okay, so and after everything, like click on publish. So Mary is our voice agent we are using in this demo. So in this model, most of the thing I used just as the appointment setter, which is defined by the Vapi itself, default appointment setter. I just change a couple of things, like how can I assist you, like that. And also I have converted the date and type to RFC 3339 format, and also I have specified the time zone I am in. And also I have given some instructions, like if the user says today or tomorrow, what I need to do, like I need to convert it into the date. So I have specified, again I specified the time zone I am in, and also the time today is, like what time it is now. So I have given that all things, just the normal things. So this is what I created. Rest all is same, and the function section I will show you. I have created the function dental booking. In that, this appointment is called when the assistant get the needed information, like the user's name and the preferred date. So I have given some property like name and date and time required. So inside name, I will get the full name of the patient, and as it's a string type data, I have given string. And also date and time, for date and time also string I am given. In date and time, so also like collect the date and time of preferred date and time. Okay, then set it, save it. Then we again need to go to the assistant, and inside the function section we have to see, you will get all the tools we have created. Select the booking dental. That's it. Booking dental, and click on publish. So our Vapi is ready, and then what we need to do is, like here it is like early static things, like it will collect it, and as we have not created the make, I mean the logical platform things, the Vapi can't send the data to somewhere, so like we have to so let's log into make.com. I have already have an account, so create one and log in. Here, create new scenario. I have already created the scenario for our purpose, but still I am showing some of these modules and all. So this webhook. So first we are adding webhook. It's the API. So first, whenever the Vapi calls a function, the data is received by the webhook, like receive data webhook. So here we can add the name or something. Okay, if you want, you can add the name and see, you will get a URL. So copy that address to the clipboard and go to dashboard of the Vapi, and here inside the tune section, integrate that with Vapi. Just copy that paste that address here. So I have already created one, as I said. So okay, and when you want to create a calendar, I'll show you. Google Calendar. See, create an event, duplicate an event. There are many options. So as we need to create an event, get the create an event. Okay. Then we are also using a response. Here we have to map different fields. I'll show you that. Okay. Then we need to get the response. So create webhook, response webhook. Okay. Here you can write whatever, like success or something. The salary should be 200. Okay. Based on the requirement you have to do. So this is just as shown how it is. I'll show you the real one. Yes, here it is. This is the scenario we are using for this. So as I said, I have copied, I have pasted this URL inside our Vapi integration, and so here we had to map the fields inside the calendar. You have to specify the calendar ID, which calendar you are using, like your Google account calendar. You have to specify that, and the event name. For event name, I am using the patient name. So inside the tools called functions, various properties are given. So name, I am just drag and drop here, and for start date, the patient has given the date and time, so I am using that. And for the end time, as it is not specified, I am not giving. So here it is written like you can either enter end date or duration. So I am giving duration 30 minutes, so that in an assumption that every patient will take 30 minutes. Like okay. Then the response webhook. So I am giving just success. That's it. Okay. So first we need to talk with the system.
Hello, this is Mary from Mary's Dental. How can I assist you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Awesome. I can help with that. Let's get started. What's your full name?
Anu Babu.
Great. What's the purpose of your appointment? Anu?
Cleaning.
Perfect. When would you like to come in for your cleaning?
September 3rd, 11 a.m.
All right. Just to confirm, your name is Anu Babu. You're coming in for a cleaning on September 3rd, 2024 at 11 a.m. Is that right?
Yes.
This'll just take a sec. Awesome. I've got you booked for September 3rd, 2024 at 11 a.m. for your cleaning. Yay. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
You got it. Have a fantastic day. Anu, Tooth.
So, see, the data is here. You can see. So this created on this one, and it's booked on September 3rd, 11 a.m. So let's check the calendar also. It's August. September 3rd, 11 a.m. It's booked for September 3rd, 11 a.m. This one is, I already booked it. Let's first check. Okay, so now it's ready. So that's it. That is Hope you got an idea for building your own AI agent. Let me know your comments. Thanks for watching.